I'll start off with a rock clack.
Weather's changing.
Clouds are rolling in.
Knocks towards the creek.
From that tree line back there. Feels a little ominous.
Black Sasquatch with a grayish type beard.
You saw movement.
Can't hear you.
I lost it in the fire! Oh, good Lord!
Thank you for watching.
Leave a happy comment.
Yes.
A thumbs up. And be sure to join us for the next wild forest adventure. Okay, if you are joining us for today's adventure, we are actually at the tail end of our adventure to Toe Punch Pond. We made it out of that area. We've come back to the area that we call the Enchanted Forest. We're gonna set up here, have a little fire. We've got a camera picking up anything in the background. And we're just gonna hang out for a little while and see if we can pick up any activity.
I'll start off with a rock clack.
Okay,
So
let's get this party started.
this is where we keep hearing rock clacks. So I finally picked out 2 rocks that I like. Put a green stripe on them so I don't lose them.
I think our weather's changing.
It is. Yeah.
All of a sudden, it's gotten windy.
Yeah. I think we're okay for a while yet, though. Alright, getting that going. Moved the backup camera to the rotator on top of the Jeep as slow as I can make it go and still turn. And I think I'm going to do a wood knock.
It's breezy. The wind picked up.
Yeah, the weather's changing.
Clouds are rolling in. But yeah, let's
Kind of just wake things up, make some noise, and then we
Yeah.
can sit and listen.
sounds like a plan.
Alright, I'll pass the camera to you. And we got the creaky tree for sure.
Hot coffee in the works. Yes. What do they say? Coffee is life.
This one's dead behind us, so maybe it'll sound good and loud maybe. mark on it. I feel better about that. Alright, well let's see if anything wakes up.
Yes, we shall. I was just going to have it on so it could be our ears behind the scenes here. Take your knife.
Yeah, where's your pocket knife? I don't see it. Don't get cold, but we can do more layers if we need to.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, weather is a changing.
Oh.
Do you need a shift for your chair, or?
Oh, I'm hoping it's done glowing at me. That got me.
Okay. That full on sounded like wood knocks towards the creek. Yes, it's breezy, windy.
Holy crap. I thought it sounded like a tree was coming down.
Well, that happens a lot to what? Camping with Sasquatch? But a tree didn't come down. But there was at least 3 good wood knocky sounds. I was kind of waiting to see if a tree was going to crash as well.
Holy criminy.
So that sounded good though.
Are all our cameras in use? Wait, I've got one right here. Shit. Okay, guys. We're sitting at the campfire. All of a sudden, from that tree line back there, across the creek,
We got 3 good wood knock type sounds. We were kind of waiting to see if a tree was being like maybe pushed over or falling, but that didn't happen.
you know what? Let's get that camera pointed in that direction.
You have to move
That's-
on. I still want to catch us a little bit, or do you not want it to catch us?
Okay, okay. I just want something in that direction.
Okay. Well, you now have something.
Okay, guys. That was a little bit exciting. That wasn't a typical, like, limb snap, twig snap.
No, that. But we've never had a 3 reply wood knock, and that was 3 sounds. Yeah, I mean, that could have been 3 wood knocks, and we typically only get 1 in response.
Feels a little ominous, my back to
We can move the wood and you can
all of that.
transfer a little bit. But yeah, I am trying to look around us in case that's a distraction, as something else tries to get close behind us.
As far as I could tell, me sounded like it was right across.
Yeah, I would be pretty close to the general of you. Either just this side of the cliff, or it was the other side of the cliff. That was weird. Just, I don't know, there was like a dark log or moss hanging, and it almost looked like the Rim Reaper or whatever it is.
Grim Reaper?
Grim Reaper, that's the one. There's just a dark thing with like it was like wearing a hoodie, like a cloak.
Not today.
Oh my goodness.
Not today, Reaper.
That was just weird, you know. Ugh. Either that or it's a black Sasquatch with a grayish type beard.
Okay, it looks like our backup GoPros are on low battery. This is our second adventure of the day, so we definitely are low on battery power. We're just going to hang out here a while longer, see what we can capture.
Yeah, let's keep your Nana cam as more of a backup for
Okay.
if these other ones die on us.
Okay, I think I do still have one battery in my pack.
Oh, we didn't use that yet?
No.
Oh. Okay, I thought we did.
I saw that.
Saw me trying to take your stick.
Yeah.
Makes me wonder what that was.
That was a response to my wood knot. Letting us know that they are here.
I got 2 hot dogs left, my friend. 2.
You might be able to sweet talk us. The winds are really moving around. This smoke is not consistent. It just followed you.
Yeah, it's not my friend right now.
No.
You see anything?
I don't see anything. I got smoke. I'm serious right now. I'm sorry. I can't see. Every time I think I'm getting out of the smoke, I'm not. But it keeps spinning. There's nowhere safe. Okay, now let me try.
I gotta get the GoPro over there. I gotta get the camera over there.
Okay.
Oh shit. I want to be able to look at that.
Okay.
Let me know when you can see.
I can see.
Center screen.
Is it right there that you think you're seeing something? Nose and eyes? It's probably there. And I don't have my reading glasses.
No. Okay. Right here.
Oh. Oh. Maybe. Huh.
Caught my attention.
Yeah. Maybe.
Keep an eye. Ooh. That's what caught me. I gotta take these off so I can eat.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's too much pressure. It's a lot quieter with those on. Can't hear as much.
Well, and your brain's going to adjust to one thing. Now that it's gone, now it has to adjust to the other.
Yeah. Okay, don't spill the coffee. We've got the alarm system going off.
The barking squirrel.
We're just a short blink away from the two vocals that were picked up on the pink full moon night.
Yeah, well, maybe 200 yards. If you're a parent, I'll do a whoop. I'll do a call. Yeah, that squirrel is really barking behind us.
squirrel with all kinds of work there.
Here it is.
Alright friends, just switched to a new battery. And we're trying
Something messy.
something different for us. So we saw this on another YouTuber's channel.
Theirs looked a little more like put together.
I just felt the raindrop. So it is getting more moody out here. The weather's changing on us. But you take a strawberry and you put marshmallow puff or marshmallow cream on your strawberry, roast it like you would, and then a chocolate syrup topping. So I'm gonna set this camera back down and we're gonna try this.
That smoke is challenging.
Yeah, it won't go in one direction. I'm definitely feeling rainbows.
I can't hear you.
Okay.
La 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 la.
Alrighty then.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm feeling it too.
La 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 la.
Check this decadent.
You'll have to go show the camera.
Oh my goodness, you guys, check that out. Oh, I'm losing my chocolate.
Well, it's syrup. It's gonna run off, so don't. Yeah, carefully you. Oh, the smoke.
Okay, the challenge though of
Really? Oh, this
oh my gosh.
rotating wind is horrible.
Oh my gosh. I think I chose the biggest strawberry I could find.
Oh,
I am gonna have to go in for a second though.
I tried to find the ripest strawberry, and it probably isn't, but that's what I was looking for. Alright guys, I gave up just a little bit before the golden brown. I'm getting a little bit on there, but that's smoke.
That is flippin' amazing. I would have that again, like right now. Wow. That is finger looking good.
Well, mine's definitely gonna drip. That is good.
Isn't that amazing? Okay, now I'm not like worried about it looking weird. I'm just like going for it. I'm like, that is so good. I lost it.
Can't hear you.
I lost it in the fire.
Better start again.
No strawberry left behind.
Oh, that one will be.
Oh my gosh, how did that even happen?
I don't know. I am not sure.
It was looking so good.
Oh, you dirtied the other spoon.
Well,
I was gonna share.
you know, someone's gonna have to lick it. So, why not dirty it? Oh, that was a party foul.
Maybe
That was
try
so...
and keep it more even so it doesn't slide off. Not sure yet.
I'm a mess. Well, I'm not hearing any more
I haven't heard anything.
activity.
I think after this I'll do one more wood knot. And then
Keep things rolling while we're cleaning up.
yep, while we're packing up, we'll keep things rolling. Really thought we'd hear some rock flats today.
Yeah. Do you have anything you want to say? Get out of my forest.
Leave me alone, get out of here.
Gosh, it was so good.
The smoke of this fire is so horrible.
Yeah, it has not been friendly to us. But this.
Oh.
So shout out to Lady Luck. Thank you so much for sharing this on your YouTube channel. It just reeled Pops and I right in. Had to give it a try. It is delicious.
It is yummy.
Oh, that's what I'm missing.
What are you missing? I'd like to be missing this smoke.
Good times.
Oh.
Hey guys, you are never too old to just enjoy life like this.
Yummy. You're touching it?
Oh gee.
Okay, I'll do another wood knot.
That's so good.
That is really yummy. does make me wonder if you could do that, like maybe the slices still of strawberry on a graham cracker with chocolate, and then still roast a marshmallow, but add that strawberry like slices to the s'mores.
Any old way you want it.
Well, I'm just thinking a nice Hershey chocolate bar sounds good with that. A little more chocolate. But that is yummy. I want to run the flare. I swear I just saw something peek behind a tree.
From that same location that I took my photo.
That direction.
Okay, this is the second time that you have thought you saw movement.
I have no heat signature. I'm going to go in another 20 feet. Swore that I had seen movement or something poke out from behind the tree, but I do not have any feed out here. Okay, I got nothing.
You're on the other side of the X. How does that make you feel?
Like an outcast. I just see something really dark over there. Oh, feet signature. I took a couple pictures of you.
Oh, okay. Oh.
It shows the camera's hot and your butt.
Ooh, I got a hot ass.
You got a hot ass, baby.
Oh my goodness, the sunshine's peeking.
It's just teasing us.
Oh,
sorry.
good Lord. Oh my gosh.
All I was saying is, one last time.
Oh, I thought I was possibly hearing something and I was deep in, and I don't have my ears
I was
on.
gonna say, you're not hearing nothing.
And you come around the corner, I'm in my own little world.
Oh, God. Oh. Time to get out of here.
Yeah, sounds like the trees are crack-a-lacking.
Across the road on the way out.
Oh boy. Oh.
Good thing to use to. Oh, I could use a jar can.
Oh yeah.
I'll use a jar. Just need something I can get it out of that spring.
to the spring.
Go give ourselves couch time.
Yeah.
Catch up on our YouTube people.
We should.
Ooh, I did not do that very well. Okay guys, we are wrapping things up. Half a jar of water at a time on the fire. Hey, that's more than half.
I finally scooped it more this time, but I was only getting half a jar up to now.
I am super excited to play this footage back and hear what was captured. From back there. You guys, this wind is saying it is time to wrap things up and call it a day. If you made it this far, we thank you.
Yes, thank you guys for making it this far. Please give us a thumbs up,
And a
happy comment.
We appreciate you guys, and we will see you in the next adventure. Till next time, keep it squatchy.